Assalamu alaikum everyone, how's you? Hope you all fine. Today is our fourth online lecture, unit number 2, reading page number 31 to 34. Science is all around us, so it's way of understanding the world through observation and evidence. So let's start it. In next slide, starter activity. What do plants and animals compete for? So it's activity for you. You think and write answers in the box. Move to the next slide. What is meant by competition? Competition means two or more living organisms of the same or different type competing for the same basic needs like food in an ecosystem. So, this struggle for resources is called competition. What is competition in an ecosystem? Learning intention. There are two types of competition in an ecosystem. First is the interspecific and second is the intraspecific. So, what is the difference between interspecific and intraspecific competition? Interspecific competition between individuals of the same species, for example, two lions fighting for food. Next, intraspecific competition between individuals of the different species, for example, lions and cheetah competing for prey. So move to the next slide. What do animals compete for? There are four resources for which animals compete. And what are they? Food, water, mates, land, territory. Next slide. This slide shows the competition in which animals compete with each other for food and other resources. So move to the next slide. What do plants compete for? Or what four things do plants compete for? These are light, water, minerals and space. If I quoted most important example, if plants do not have enough space to grow, they will not reach their full height. Otherwise, if seeds fall close together, there is a competition among the seedling for water, nutrients, and sunlight. Next is the activity of matching. Class, you have understands all these definitions in previous lectures, so it's time for you to solve this quiz on your register. So next, competition and population size. If there is a less competition, the population rises. If there is a more competition, population falls. The size of a population varies due to factors such as disease, migration, and predation. And next, balanced ecosystem. What is the importance of a balanced ecosystem? In the ecosystem, all living organisms are continually interacting with each other. For example, animals interact with plants, e.g., for food. Plants interact with animals, e.g., they help spread seeds, and human beings interact with each other and with plants and animals. They also interact with the non living things in their ecosystem. Move to the next slide. Effect of human activities on the environment. Many human activities are responsible for causing change in the environment. These all changes can upset the natural balance of an ecosystem. First, roads and highways can also change ecosystem. Next, pollution. Industries keep burning fuels and adding harmful substances like smoke, dust, and gases to the air and cause pollution. So, how we can define the pollution? It is the contamination of air, water, and soil by substances harmful to living things. Next is the deforestation. What is the meaning of deforestation? So, definition of deforestation is cutting down of trees in a forest. It reduces the supply of oxygen and carbon dioxide needed by organisms. Next is the conservation, how we conserve our ecosystem. It refers to the activities that protect organisms in an ecosystem. So next, also apply these strategies 5 Rs to protect ecosystem. These are recycle. Recycle means to change used materials into other useful products. Next is reuse. Reuse is to use something again and again. Next, reduce. Reduce is to consume less produce and less waste products. Next is recover. Recover is to get useful parts of an item considered as waste. Next is repair. Repair is to restore by replacing a part or putting together what is torn or broken. So class, these are ways to protect planet Earth. Always refuse non-biodegradable items. By reducing how much we have, we will create less waste. So we should recycle paper, glass and plastic to be made into new items. 5Rs: refuse, reduce, reuse, road, recycle. Next slide shows protecting ecosystems. Here are some different ways of preserving the balance and protecting ecosystem. Reforestation. Reforestation means planting more trees. Next, solar energy. Decreasing the use of chemical fertilizers, using technology to clean oil spills. Next, using renewable energy and solar energy. Renewable energy, they are not depleted when used. So in the end, by reducing and controlling all these human activities, we can protect all the ecosystems on planet Earth. So okay dear students, chapter 2 reading is completed. Now the way to wrap up our reading, summarize key points and reflect what you have learned. Ask yourself questions about the text. And dear students, thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.